Akeria thutha wa gwikira wira hari wikiraniri ngirimiti gatagati ga gikundi kia urumwe wa mabũrũri na bodi ya kwitana na kugimaria airitu. Munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri President William Ruto augite ugimaria wa airitu na hiko cia tene cia ciana ni ikoretwo iri muhinga munene hari uthii wa na mbere guku bũrũri-ini.
FGM reduces and undermines the esteem of our girls and women, undermines their health and progress, and encourages inequality in our society. And by all means, we must stand shoulder to shoulder to make sure that we deal firmly, decisively with this challenge to our society.
Ruto augite thina ucio no nginyagia ugomano naguo uria ugomeire airitu na atumia milioni 200 thiini wa thi na guku bũrũri-ini ukigomera gicunji kia 23 hari igana.
In Kenya, up to 23% of women continue to undergo FGM, a very retrogressive process, and therefore 23% of our women is way too many.
Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa urumwe wa mabũrũri Ademola Olajide ni atugiririe bũrũri wa Kenya akiuga ati ni utacoketie makinya ma kwitana na ciiko ici na njira ya kugathika mawatho ma kugitira airitu kuria mehotorete kwambika tabarĩra cia gukuria icigo iria igomeirwo ni mutigo ucio.
Initiative is not only commercially viable but programmatically sound. That at the end of the day, we can trail and provide resources to communities, but directly to women and girls to ensure that we can motivate them not only to abandon this practice, but also to abandon child marriage.
Anyitite mikuma honge itiganite cia thirikari ro undu umwe na ikundi cia andu kiumbe ni megukorwo makinyita itemi hari tabarĩra ĩno ya kunina mutugo wa kugimaria airitu.
This is going to be an added value to the women, because we will not only be going to these women, talking to them and leaving them like that. These women will have hope of having something else, of even making them stronger economically, because they will sell the beads.
That we are getting the highest support from the highest office of the land towards ending FGM, using the bead as an initiative of empowerment, as an initiative of pride, and an initiative of cultural relevance.
Tabarĩra ĩno irongoreirie gukinyirio aikari a kaunti ya Baringo, Marsabit, Narok, Kajiado, Samburu, Turkana na West Pokot aria marikitie kuhĩmbĩria uthondeki wa cioma. Ngiribotera mohoro ma Njata TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Muthoni wa Gatũma.